We've all heard the expression beauty comes from within, but the phrase holds a very special meaning to us at Lycored. It's the idea behind Lycoderm, our supplement-ready blend designed to foster overall skin wellness from the inside out. Our combination of phytonutrients from both tomatoes and rosemary works hard to promote healthy, resilient skin while supporting its look and feel. Our proprietary skin-grade tomato extract includes lycopene, as well as the carotenoids phytoene and phytofluene, which can absorb UVA and UVB light. We amplified the benefits of this meticulously standardized mix with rosemary extract, which is rich in carnosic acid, a potent antioxidant. We're proud to say that Lycoderm has been proven safe and effective in several clinical trials. In our latest double-blind, placebo-controlled trial, we found that supplementation with Lycoderm protected subjects from UV damage. In another study, we discovered that our proprietary tomato extract helps prevent skin aging caused by UV exposure. In fact, this combination of phytonutrients is more protective than synthetic lycopene alone. Yet another study looked at the effects of our proprietary extract on skin texture. After 12 weeks of supplementation, participants' epidermis showed an increase in density as well as a decrease in roughness and scaling.